Welcome back, everyone. We're doing another unboxing of the new sponsor of the channel. They sent us a little box. Gonna open it all up. Use a razor blade to do so. You want to be careful because you cut yourself really bad with the razor blade. This little packing slip. It is carnivore meat, I believe. No, carnivore snack. But I mean, it is beef and salt, only 2 ingredients. I'm trying to decide what one I want to open first. Beef and salt, pork and salt. These two are probably, pork and beef, and jerky, or it's like jerky, but it's supposed to be better than jerky. It's not jerky. It's not your average snack, right there. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. It's only beef and salt, 100% grass-fed, finished beef. Yeah, let's open the beef. I want to say thanks to Carnivore for sending this out. Hopefully I'm pronouncing their name right. It's definitely different. It's definitely, it's like turkey, but it's not, doesn't have all that extreme flavor as jerky. Which, that's probably all the crap they put in jerky, but this is more of a tastes real. This tastes like meat. Half time when you eat jerky, it doesn't, there's that sweet tone to it. But out of a 10, I'd probably give it a 7.5. There's a little, almost tastes like steak. Has that steak flavor to it. It's ribeye, that's probably why. Wasn't even thinking. Well, let's try the porkloin, pork and salt. Pretty much the same, pasture raised, but it's porkloin instead of ribeye. I'd probably give this one an 8. It's not jerky. They're right about that. It's a snack, but it's almost like you're eating pork or beef, like a steak or a porkloin. That's so weird. I'm not 100% sure, but I think how they get it to get dried like that, so it's crunchy, is like they dehydrate it or something. That's weird. They're not kidding. It's literally just the meat and the salt, nothing else. But yeah, I mean, there's a couple other things. Protein 16 gram, standard fat 4 gram, porkloin 45 milligrams, sodium 10.5. Sodium, I believe, is salt. But say yes to me. As someone who family is in the farming business / dairy cattle business, it's a very big deal, especially in the U.S., to support your farmers. And when you buy this, I guarantee you are supporting the farm. If I read the thing right, they get all their meat from farms in the U.S. and then they take them and pack their thing. So, yeah. Doesn't smell the greatest, but that could just be me. But then again, I mean, it's practically meat that is dehydrated with salt, so it's not gonna smell the greatest, but it tastes pretty good. It tastes more like a barbecue kinda, not barbecue, but if you're like barbecuing a steak, or if you're eating a steak or eating pork, it tastes like that. It doesn't taste like. That's one thing I always got with jerky is, yeah, there's that real rich flavor to it, and it don't even taste like it meat, but who knows what they put in jerky to make it do that. But this is what I would probably call more jerky than jerky itself, because I think jerky originated basically almost like that. So, but it's good to know there's company out there that is making it as simple as possible and as healthy as possible without all that who knows what crap in the jerky. So, yeah. So, ribeye gets 7.5 and porkloin gets an 8. So, out of a 10, of course. So, yeah. So, please subscribe, like, comment, share this video. There will be a link in the description to their website. Go tell them N.R.T. sent you, and